With the upcoming tide of scientific and technology innovations, there is an ever-increasing of integration of information and communications technology to all fields of economy and society. More and more applications of the industrial internet will arise. At the same time, there is rapid development on new generation of artificial intelligence, virtual reality, and other emerging technologies. Global information and energy industry are also expanding. In power infrastructure construction and power supply applications, such as rail transport, national defense, aviation industry, home entertainment systems, large data centers, and cloud services, there is a high demand for the use of power information equipment. In various applications, the need for emergency and mobile power supply has increased significantly. Therefore, safe and stable power connection becomes more important. Sustainable development of green energy has already become the future of next generation of energy. As a leading manufacturer of industrial power connectors, NBC Electronic Technological Company has extensive experience in serving information and communications industry. With advanced innovation technology and services, we continue developing products and solutions to meet various needs of our customers to ensure the safe and stable power connection in all kinds of scenarios. Dongguan NBC Electronic Technology Company Limited, or NBC, was founded in 2006 in Humen Town. Its brand name, ANEN, symbolizes safety, reliability, and energy efficiency. Our products have focused on industrial connectors, electroacoustic hardware components, and surface treatment technologies. After more than 12 years of development, NBC has established 2 factories, successfully set up offices in the United States, Hong Kong, Shanghai, and Dongguan. The factory has passed ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and IATF 16949 system certifications, and it was awarded the High-Tech Enterprise Certificate from Guangdong Province Government. With the adoption of modern information management system, tile assembly line, and automated production, NBC has established an advanced manufacturing system. As a high-tech enterprise, the company has a group of highly qualified personnel with advanced educations, an experienced, skilled, innovative service team to provide customers with fast, professional, and comprehensive services. NBC also has a first-class laboratory for reliability testing to ensure all our products meet high-quality requirements. For own brand to global marketing, NBC has maintained rapid growth every year and served many countries and regions around the world. The company always adheres to the value of quality first and constant innovation. We have established long-term and strategic partnership with many world-class first-tier brands as Eaton, Amazon, Huawei, Delta, Easy, K-Star, Sun Moonlight, XJ Group, China Railway, Philips, Debang Lighting, China Southern Power Grid, Bose, Sennheiser, JBL, AKG, and Beats, and so on. With years of experience in providing customized solutions for first-tier brands, our high-current power connectors and electroacoustic hardware components are in the leading position in the industry. We are a designated manufacturer and strategic supplier of earphone hardware components for many customers, and we are a leading brand in the high-current connector industry. We are also a certified partner for National Power Grid and high-speed rail power system, and we are a long-term partner supplier for Philips on LED connectors. Our products have been widely used in emergency power supply, UPS power supply, rear automotive, consumer lighting, medical, solar systems, new energy, and many other fields. Along the years, our factory has accumulated rich experience in design and manufacturing, and we have the capability to design and process complex hardware structures. Our services include product design, tooling development and manufacturing, metal stamping, metal injection molding, plastic injection molding, CNC machining, laser welding, and heat treatment. Our surface finishing technologies include spray coating, electroplating, anodizing, polishing, pad printing, and PVD. We supply a wide range of custom-built hardware such as headbands, sliders, earphone caps, metal grill, hinges, and other customized hardware components to headphone and audio systems with high quality and reliability assurance. NBC has focused on research and development on full series of power connectors. We have more than 40 intellectual property patents. With fully integrated product development, manufacturing, and testing, we have extensive experience in providing complete custom solutions. For our high current connector product line, NBC was the first factory in China to work with top 10 UPS brands at the same time. Our emergency charging connector solutions is the first one in China that can replace foreign charging connectors. Our connectors have been in large volume deployment in national and regional power grids, from 1 amp to 1000 amp. Our product line includes power connectors, modular connectors, industrial connectors, automotive connectors, LED connectors, photovoltaic products, magnetic charging products, and our products have passed UL, CUL, CE, TUV, and ISO certifications. We also provide high-precision stamping and cable assembly services to meet increasing customer requirements. While focusing on long-term development, the company also spends great effort on the recruiting of talents and improving employee education and welfare. NBC provides a comfortable working environment for the employees, ensures timely and reasonable award to the employees. As the company continues to grow, employee career planning and development become more and more important. NBC enables employees to realize personal dreams and provides a wide range of activities for team building. Focusing on technology innovation and product quality, we are also involved in community services and social public welfare, education, culture, and the drive of green environmental protection. Faced with global competition and historic opportunities, NBC management has developed strategic plans for the next phase of the company. The entire staff strives for excellence and makes continuous effort for innovation and pushes the company to reach a new level. Adhering to the customer first, through strategic cooperation, optimization of manufacturing line, and active new product research and development, NBC strives to leap forward and open the unlimited possibilities for the world to connect and to enjoy beautiful sound, creating values for customers, for society, and for all employees. We believe the business philosophy of integrity, practical, mutual benefit, and win-win. We lead with the spirit of innovation, cooperation, and hard work. NBC is on its way to build a brilliant future.